Mame ma wakwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wo frame adwowa search me
kwa bibia ni obetimi aye ede aboa amagana na Ghana na so yesi energy is a fence ade a eno na bema Ghana no anaso akobia o ma bia timi Ghana na so what I say it is energy no ma energy no nyadwuma now what do you expect how can you run
Ghana for power. Yeah, Ghana for empty. Because the open 24-hour economy. I see don't get the the Kojina, but I have to get that video. Any Kojina honum can say anajo eba omon kania tese yebetiti. Am here besides an anajo no mumna consumption yeah high. Anajo na obetiti so. And then the amount they 14.75%. I feel be can say dum so.
What I say. You know, sanity we many that time no na dum so gina mu 4 years no that time ne to kane mu kase that time ne increase your friends light bills ne ade kase enti na ne de mese Ghana for mama ni na omo ni solar lamps no mu pe bi nsisi mu paniti because na de we there there no ba be face because papa no ohu kura bia amfa ayinsem ohu bi bia onam ohu bia onam energy nso so wo ye nwadwuma me gidi se energy no mix no ho we kakra free ha na oyi be free ha na odi be free ha na ho de susom kakra sa na ye adwuma no ne mom no wo de bia na fuwa na fuwa ni ho na fuwa na yo kase ya na ho pepre na ba na ko page sika bi 10 billion ne de amano je ko ana fan wo yini de
connection kwa
bia no
left by the fuel and you say ya left gida baza
o na so tiase there dey balance in the bebe what I say me jini say Ghana for mu ya ni na ho na jonje na pone de o mpa baby kura mfa ne mfa because enye no kura na o ka che Ghana for e free so o sha se ya ye ni no tra Ghana ha o yes energy ho asem o de no bagim a o pretend say energy woni hu bibia no e me ho ase still no o da se tisa energy wa o nema o kan nyina nso so ye nema utimi hu obisa se de be pa na mo ye de afa ho a otimi nchew de bia obeka bia ye skasem na ka wo ho na wo se enya sikase ni ade koto wei na enya fu we se ye betimi ayi se de bia what I say so it my yet say wakoto fu na bia ba it is say no problem bia ni when it comes to electricity no kania na beba ye ba be so kania na ade enti ye na explanation ben it is say wo mo pediatric lodge
na mo pediatric lodge
energy committee no and okọ wa okọ ka che mu say aka 2 days and 6 hours na kania ni nyina asa no what in officer one na man say briefing no anaso onu a oboni trim anu akoka bibi
papa na me ka say na me ka chere chief enu ye same power de na o share that the generalize ye de aka ni nyina because fuel no ebi wo hobato person painting gloomy picture bi na obo call left fuel no na ja it's a painting gloomy picture bi ya Ghana for ye tie chere na o ka no say short memory for ade de bedumo ye dia kania bedundu wakoji wo finance minister ho wakoji a dia atunsu de die atu force
atu de better
ade really how the cabinet and president atu release this kind of it will be balancing
Baba ya ho bo se o
na mo kwa mo ba kadiadu enti mo de mo consult plan be say before say na dey na mo ye say o take local so I dey no people before ye na NDC mo de mo ba dey connection kwa self made
ya no me busa dey say adentina mo ye dey ade bi atoso so am this for mo ko fo mo be no dun so beba ya kasa be afi ba ko ampampa mo ba ye so
mo ba pa ba tu bi aje hu bibia this for
anyway
mo didi ha mo didi
this was here na John
o be didi mo waton wi ase ade na afi ye beton omo lift wi kat ya afo wi ase ye ton no asra ji 4 years no so no akoda
akoda on fa ho enti no me me ani na ho na ye momo de ha say ye kania ne de ye no mu nka no mu nti ase say ye mpenche mu bia. Enough of the explanation, enough of the lamentation. Yes, no. Kania no ye kania ye de be adwuma. Asa. Komika last week pa na nkofo bi baji wo munta de na nipa so yes yo. free time a time about MPP a free so first time I saw a generator no generator ko hwe ho fi pa ne ba bia ne sa it because of generator not mo say ayeka etino ya best the problem no dey wo etienu ntina wo mu so say enkwara ne be hu bibi nti wo hwe se dey na STEM schools na eba friend say science technology engineering mathematics ani say dey na enkwara ni sua dey na ayo mu hu enti na no mu pese mu pre enkwara na se because enkwara ne nyina adwene ne ko peja wo mu nya kwan na da obi apaje wo dey my if I'm man on camera what I say man on camera wo reba ho enkwa edidu o machi na mu sense am afo kwa what I say
according to the world population
by early 2026 January you will try to settle most of the debt. Most of the debt. Assurance. So that you can say be our shadow power whatever.
Ube sawajune. But we the only go do.
What I say? Asema jina Paul can say you me etuma sum kakra ye de na dubik ye na do man anye. Say ye wo government and state institutions omun twa life bill. Ye twa life bill ya bo ma ye life bill na to ne bo den. But according to reports by these energy think tanks, one can say, you will bear 40 or more % of power now. Yentuaka, omusun free, and yena yebre. And the night do be keep state institutions into ya. If it's a parliament, it is there. Education. And that is where we can recover all. Yes, I'm a America. And you, Jinapo, no one can say. At this time, say, police. State security institutions will be able to anything through Oko Central ha say police for entry libel Abraham na mo so play kuma say eyi ensuo nyina ye no mo na mo de mayen adenti
police for irenom uko omo hono ma barracks your friend say sa
ice kekene ice block we say na manya what omo na muntua what bi da na tu ya twama kuma kra ne say me yem nso ne say ya enura na discuss say ye wo this CEOs omoji in excess of 780 million. Na mo mutimi ntua libel na Ghana for edesumu ade na mo ye omen. Enti kan mo kura no say ade mo manage mo power na as CEO no se bosumi asokwa na sebe ye de usika ayi botene kakrakwa wakotum na wo as responsible say utua libel untua ente ye ode na yakobia jihok ehwo a mo sonia protection so abuaton amama nyamfaso Muntia like bro. Who could be a SCC? What are this going on? Someone tria or mano. These IPPs will continue to own them all the time. And Obiano Wajabosia. No never mama dear. Yadima mu free. And to do big it start here. It was good policy. I was Jinapo money break catch mama say, Mama say, Yan to us had